Hi, it's Katie with National Discount Pool Supplies, and I'm going to tell you how to order a replacement spot cover on our website. First, to get to the spot cover page, you hover over Spot Chemicals and Accessories and click on Replacement Spot Covers. We sell spot covers made by Prestige. They make them right in Florida in their warehouse, so all of the covers are made in America. They all come with free shipping and usually take about 4 to 6 weeks in production. To see the shapes that we offer, you can scroll down. And we offer most of the major shapes. If you've got anything funky, just call us and we'll see what we can do on a quote. I'm going to just walk you through how to do the measuring and what the difference in the options are. So you want to select your A length and your B length, and also the C, which is the radius. We've got an image right here on a guide of how to measure your radius. Then you want to select your skirt length, the strap location, and also your color choice. We've got a bunch of different options for colors, and you can click on this image here and also zoom in and see them a little bit closer. Then you want to select your foam thickness. It starts at 4x2, goes to 5x3, or 6x4. You can upgrade the foam density as well. It comes with a 1 pound foam. You can do 1.5 or 2 pound. 2 pound gives you the best insulation. The channeling type can be upgraded from steel to aluminum, and you can also upgrade the 2 mil vapor barrier to 4 mil. The steam stopper comes with it just on the ends, but you can do it the full length of cover. That just helps extend the life of the cover itself against water absorption. I'm going to just select some options here to show what it looks like if you did upgrade and what the final price would be and where that would appear. We are the experts for all of your pool and spa needs. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 866-736-0732. Again, this is Katie with National Discount Pool Supplies.